This is how you can disassemble the P2 Active protective case. Step 1. Unlock all the clips around the pad and remove the bracket. Step 2. Peel off the corners of the silicone protective case, covering the yellow frame. Step 3. Pop out the tablet out of the yellow frame. Step 4. Lift it out from the frame. This is how you can assemble the P2 Active protective case. Step 1. Place the pad inside the yellow frame. Step 2. Wrap the silicone case around the yellow frame. Step 3. Place the bracket at the top and ensure all the clips are securely locked. Enjoy your rugged tablet.